Hello, I hope you are doing very well. My name is Lamek Manchol. I am the citizen of the United Republic of Tanzania. The purpose of this video is to explain about the KMB scholarship opportunities. I am the graduate with bachelor degree in animal science, and currently I am working as the livestock officer in the government institution in my country, in Tanzania. I've chosen Indonesia as my destination country to my further studies of master's degree in animal science. The reason why I have chosen Indonesia, the country of my further studies, is because Indonesia is the best country that provide quality education, especially in science-based programs. And I believe studying in Indonesian university will equip me with advanced knowledge and modern research skills and innovative technologies that are based on my career of animal science. And I have chosen to do my studies under the on-campus learning programs. The reason why I have chosen this mode of learning, first, I just want to meet directly with my lecturer and my research supervisors so that I can receive direct the knowledge and skill, and also we can solve the challenge that are based to my research programs. And second, I just to have an opportunity of visiting the Indonesian country so that I can learn the culture of Indonesia. And also, I just want to have an opportunity to visit the tourist attraction center that are found in Indonesia. And said, I just want to meet the international students so that we can share different experience that are based to my career of animal science. And after this program, it is my plan to come back to my country in Tanzania so that I can apply the knowledge and skill that I received from the Indonesia, so that I can apply that knowledge in the livestock sector so that to improve and to solve the challenge that are facing this sector in our country. And in addition, I will proudly serve as the good ambassadors of Indonesian culture to my country. And I will share the experience of Indonesia to my fellow Tanzanians. And this will help to strengthen the relationship of Tanzania and Indonesia. And in addition, I'm very proud to these programs, and I am very excited. And thank you for this opportunity. And I hope the best to my country and to my career. And thank you so much. Have a good day.